Configure Workplace. Join and enable an iPad. Good morning and welcome to this webcast. My name is Jennifer and I'll be the English dubber of this webcast made by Fabrizio Volpe, Microsoft MVP on Link. Active Directory Federation Services, the ADFS, inside Windows 2012 R2 have reached the release 3.0. In the long list of new features, an interesting one, dedicated to the world of BYOD, is the Workplace Join. Workplace Join enables users to register Windows-based and iOS-based devices for single sign-on and access to corporate data. And network administrators are able to use this authentication to allow or remove access to network resources for the device, while users enjoy a single sign-on experience. To realize my lab, I have used as a starting base this good post from Keith Mayer, Why R2? Step-by-step, solve BYOD challenges with Workplace Join in Windows Server 2012 R2 and Windows 8.1. The first step has been to add the Active Directory Federation Services role to my server Aphrodite. That is also my domain controller and certification authority. The configuration of the ADFS role requires a service account, so I created a group-managed service account called FSG MSA with the following commandlets, adapting the ones used by Keith. An SSL certificate is required too, so I used the DigiCert util to create a CSR. Please note that the common name must be the FQDN of the ADFS server, and you need to use the same name for the subject alternative name. In the SAN names, enterprise registration.yourdomain is required too. I have used a command line to submit the request and generate the SSL certificate. I have imported and verified the aforementioned certificate. With all the requirements satisfied, I have launched the configuration of the ADFS role. I have defined a standard user, iPad user. I will use it to simulate a real-world scenario of a domain user joining his or her iPad to the domain. I have exported my root CA certificate in a .cer file and have copied it on Google Drive because I need to open it from Safari on the iPad later. The next step is to initialize the device registration service that, by default, is disabled and stopped. I used the initialize AD device registration commandlet using as my service account the previously configured link 2013 /FSG MSA. The next steps were done on the iPad. Open the .cer file of the root CA inside Safari and import it as a profile. Open the following URL and authenticate with link 2013 /iPad user. Accept the Workplace Join profile. Then, back to the Aphrodite DC, I have verified that the device was registered inside AD. Thank you for your kind attention.